fitted with satellite global positioning system, instrument landing system, comprehensive avionics on board and self-defense suite. So it's allowed to take care of itself while it's flying around. It's flown this afternoon by Flight Lieutenant Brett Jones, our display pilot. He's from Bristol. And let's watch out for the aircraft now as it comes rushing up towards us. Quite high speed. And be ready with the cameras, because even the very first manoeuvre is quite extraordinary. Ladies and gentlemen, the 2015 Royal Air Force Chinook display team. And this is known as a run-in and a pedal turn. Turning to 450 degrees now in that spiral descent. Clatter sound of the blades. Watch the manoeuvrability now as Brett manoeuvres the aircraft using the full energy of the front and rear rotors from the roller coaster. On board today with Brett, the display pilot, is Flight Attendant Chris Gordon, who was last year's display manager and is now flying on his display first season as the co-pilot. That's known as a 30-degree offset wing over, which repositions the aircraft ready for its next manoeuvre, which is known as critical, where the aircraft manoeuvres quickly on a line and then is required to come to a quick stop facing the crowd. So cameras ready. Now be prepared for the 720-degree Thorny corkscrew. Down the back of the airplane today is Sergeant James Harvey, who joined the Air Force in 1998. He was a Royal Air Force policeman originally, and he served 9.5 years and several tours of frontline operations in various police roles before transferring to the Air Branch to become a weapons